Hey everybody, this is Cheap Dad. Just want to show you this vacuum cleaner. This is a Hoover NANO Cyclonic. This is one of the ones with the Cyclonic filters where it spins the dust in there. And this has got the HEPA filter technology on here. With the HEPA filter, this is one where you just undo the thing there to drop your dirt out of the bottom of the thing there, so it's bagless. It's just simply the HEPA filter. So I'm going to put this in here, if you can. And see if I can get it cranked up here. This also has the brushes, or the brush here. And I believe this handle comes out here. Yeah, there's part of it there for your crevice thing. I'm going to start it up here, and I'm going to vacuum up. I don't know if you can see my pieces there on the floor. We're going to vacuum up right quick. This is a powered brush roll that also is good for, is safe for bare floors as well as carpet. There you go. Now, like I say, you just pick this up and you go to the garbage can, you just flick it, and there you go. Bagless, Cyclonic technology, HEPA filter, Hoover quality, NANO, bagless vacuum cleaner. If you're interested, call Cheap Dad, 601-207-2015, 601-207-2015.